Welcome back to Ask the Hot. And today will be October 13th, 2015. We will discuss the ministerial screening, the opening day of the ministerial screening. Our senators, them not talk, say they go sit down chin. On top of the list, when we say Oga President send to screen all the people when one become ministers for inside Obodo, Nigeria. They talk say the idea that to get the very best and make sure say the people who go become ministers, they don't get anything when we say it go come they distract them or make them not serious with their work. We dey always emphasize them on top of as they ought say people when we say they're good for the job, now him we go support because Oga President believe say okay, these people they get the idea and the experience and he go get better working relationship with them to move our country forward. On that thing when plenty people don't talk, we say if anybody gets any case, when go they distract them from doing work, when we say you're supposed to, considering say na appointment, not be elected position, say people elect you to represent them for the say they're very, very important, say make them clear their name so that they go fit do their job well. Some people name don't come out top for the list when people they talk say, if they no answer their mama name, it be like say K-leg they inside the matter. Former governor of Rivers State, Governor Rotimi Amechi, former governor of Lagos State, Babatunde Raji Fashola, and some other people when we say people from the state don't come and talk say, it be like say these people, they not be true representatives of our state. So say we need people when they our state, when not suffer for the state, when not work for the state to move this our country forward.
And that is what they even say tension go day very, very high today. Until the criteria where the Senate don't do it, don't outline to take assess these people, whether they qualified. Make we see as it go take play out, make we see whether they go do it, uphold that tension level, and also uphold that outline where they don't do it, where they don't map out to screen these people. Make we collect Oga Igo all the way from ABJ. Good morning, Oga Igo.
Oga Shukuti, the great man, I greet you. Good morning.
Oga Igo, I respect you.
Now I said the great first. The controversial Kobe, I greet you.
I hear you too, Oga Igo. Me, I don't know my place for where you there already.
Oh, okay. In terms of this ministerial screening, I don't see any tension there. What are we expecting? We're supposed to say they want to choose position, they want to give ministers for Nigeria. Maybe they give them based on merit. If they get me, not be based on say this one helped me during election. Now you go take put on. Maybe you give ministers so you go work based on merit. Now, if you say you want to follow those screening, the screening, you follow those screenings not the our constitution. Who say you want to screen them? You want to screen somebody like Amechi, then you say make two people from Senate, make them endorse them. When you say you say you not come from that party, you say go work. You not go work now. That one, to me, all those criteria they won't break down how was she.
But the one of them say asset declaration,
Assets declaration. You say these people, when you say you want me to declare assets, they vote them, having an appointment. You they give the appointment.
Still, they won't take up political appointments.
Yeah, they won't take political appointments. If you say now people vote they enter, you're gonna say yes, say me they declare the assets. To me, for them to declare the assets, I don't see that one working because they were not voted.
Yeah, now appointment they give them. Okay, good. The ministry where they want run, it go involve spending of money. Sure, you know.
Okay, see, even though you say they declare their assets, are you telling me say they will still declare all their assets?
But Igo, these people they don't hold elected position before. Take for example, some of them don't be governors before, and if they expect they say when you be governor, everything the way when you take spend money and everything based on say you they represent people and from their money you they take. You don't think say it dey good make it be say when you submit am make we know say no be say you can't open office because if you appoint person based on say okay this person he do well for me me and am be friend when he help me become who I be today if I appoint am you don't think say the person go feel like say okay this government na office for them to feel make back wetin he make from that kind of ministry.
Oga Shukude Anukubi, see in other African countries. I don't see ministers who be 31 years, 35 years. When you say the difference between these people they nominate now and young people, we say, these people they get experience. One, but I don't think they have new ideas because we don't see them before. But the difference between I say if you bring somebody very young, or you know say grassroots down, like you pick somebody of 35 years, or you pick somebody like Shukuti now, to become minister of youth or what you want. You go say you don't go down. You go create new ideas so you go bring job. But you must not get experience. You get me? So if somebody like that go there, people will go there for their back. They go carry the youth along. If you make somebody like Amechi now, Minister of Niger Delta, you still go carry the youth along, but you still bring old people like him to come work under him. when you say you know, go give am new ideas. And Messi only has experience, but doesn't have ideas because the young shall grow, in the old. So more take it like that.
Okay, Igor, thank you very much. From that, as you take I say the young shall grow. Make we still look because since we never know the remaining list, make we see whether we'll see any at least. If now one or two this thing youth, make we see whether we'll see for this list where they will release today. That's about that. So Chukudi, back to what we talk about. We talk say looking for the house now. The Senate right about now go do it. Don't outline the way they won't take address this matter. Okay, but eventually, if you say they follow this due process, or I mean this is their own process, it say you go feel bring that transparency, that same thing we Nigerians crave for. So okay, fine. Over time, we don't see say ministers go just enter house, go just ask them one or two questions when no they too strong. They will just sit there say carry go become minister. But in this case, with these things with them outline. And which, of course, Nigerians, so for some Nigerians, they see them as very good one. For some, they will tell you, the constitution. But if they say they won't stick to them, she say go fit at least bring out that individual who will say, yes, you go fit do it, you go fit carry out and work effectively.
Well, may I just believe, say, as our Senate President been promised us when he enter inside the office, say, this Senate, the 8th Senate, go be very, very different from everything.
The regular, yes.
They go make sure, say, they really represent the people truly and truly, so that Nigerians go get the very best from government. I go one believe, say, everything when we say government go do, it go dey their mind, say, okay, make we do them because of the people when we say they represent. Exactly. So that Nigerians go benefit from, say, okay, minister now, he hold ministry where would they see development. Take, for example, for several years, he get ministries when we say, we don't put plenty money inside, but we know they see anything. Ministries like power ministries like health, ministries like education, ministries like works. It can't be like say, we know they see development for our country. All, yeah. In fact, if we go back 20, 25 years, it go be like say, education better pass waiting it day today. We just be like say, because of population explosion and the rest of them, we no take time to know, say, okay, see what we supposed to do. But me, I go believe say that from somewhere, now in person they start. If our senators don't talk, say, they won't get the best hand when go work with Oga Presido, so that Oga Presido go fit bring out that great plan when he get for this country. Now just to give them the support and move this our country forward. But like he go talk, youth, they're very, very important.
Very,
because
very,
now we
important.
be the future leaders of if I realize I don't confuse myself, God, this future.
You don't the old, no.
Not even bring age inside this matter.
You don't the old.
No. Not even bring age inside. No. Not even bring age inside this matter.
I am a youth. You are a youth.
Which
but
youth?
Our own youth level, don't the old.
Which youth you be?
Oh, I'm a youth.
You were not even play for Super Eagles. You say you be youth. You don't pass this thing now.
You ever see me as somebody who ever at times say they go play football?
Because you don't pass the age. Who could be when you they play now golf? Because now old men they play golf. You come here, they talk, say you be youth. You will go primary school the time when they recite the old national anthem. You don't forget, say for 1960, the independence video, they see you the wave flag. People call to talk am now on October 1st. Come here, they call yourself youth. Because you still they wear, they talking, you say you be youth. Wear hats like who get fish business. Come here, they say you be youth. Which youth? Not even they call youth. When we the youth, they come out, they talk. The youth, they push things for Nigeria. Say you be youth. Which youth to be? Even they call yourself youth. People they call themselves youth, they call yourself youth. Say you be youth. Which youth? Youth of waiting. Youth of all nations. Father of the youth. You call yourself youth. Which youth to be? Methuselah youth, I be Abraham youth. They bring voice down for me. Which go on? When you come here, I go be minister of Lai ministry. You don't tell me say don't do me. You go be the minister of age grade ministry. Age grade, the one when they do for village, you will carry register, they mark names under tree for village meetings.
Don't do you.
Now you define, you say you still say you get out. I will screen you here today. You go do your own screening here today.
Don't do you.
I will do yours. Not the time you say don't do me. Not the time you say don't do me, they squeeze eye like say if you do me anything.
Don't do you.
Not the time you say don't do me. Don't do me anything.
I beg you beg me yesterday.
Which beg? When did I beg you?
You begged me yesterday.
When I beg you?
You remember what happened?
When I beg you, I beg face matter when they discuss.
No ever.
No, they use ever for me 10 times. No, they want me over and over
Prince,
again.
good morning. Good morning, Oga Prince.
Morning, my brother. How are you?
We dey fine.
Could be voice of the people. How you dey?
I dey, Oga Prince.
Chukwu, make you know they point this your hand. Your hand don't do too long, much.
In fact,
Nkubi, I don't know when you will establish this ministry now, so that I will be visiting Chukwudi there. See why I want to talk. You get one important program when I forget on the weekend. One Obunga thing will happen when I forget on the weekend. I want to remember it to you people.
Okay, me here.
First time where NNPC don't publish their monthly account. We not forget that one.
Okay.
Such a thing they good. We want to make them continue they do so and make other ministries follow suit. They publish their account so that we go to know what thing they happen inside them.
Yes.
Secondly, this ministry screaming by the Senate, the way they want to carry the thing, one that's on her. Person when some person declare his assets, why himself no declare their own assets? What to make our senators no declare their own assets? They want those who want to be minister to declare their own assets. Senators, are they not public servants? Are they not serving the public? What to stop them not to declare their own assets? You understand me?
Yeah.
Let them go and declare their own assets before they will ask any person who want to be minister to declare his own assets. By the way, the law says that when you want to take oath of office, now that's when you go declare. Not when you want to scream. If you scream the person, now the person no succeed. Now what thing will happen? So secondly, these two ways would be say two of your senators go endorse you. We don't say in the past, even when your three senators did not endorse you, if the majority pass you, you have already passed. Are you understand me? So the issue of Amechi, your own case, they very, very clear. If all the Senate other one support, if the other three no support, him go pass. Because him be Minister of Federal Republic of Nigeria, no be Minister of Rivers State. And the way we they talk of this man all the time, I wonder. You know, good thing is very, sometimes good thing, people we know that appreciate good things. Amechi be a strong meat where go choke many people on the throat, whether we like it or not. It's a meat where you know go feed you. So even though they talk about him every day, saying they corrupt, him they this, I never see a good man will be like Amechi. What are our former governors? Him be one of the outstanding governors where we get before. Are you getting me?
Yeah,
him be an outstanding governor. Because him the nemesis of PDP. PDP fought today now because of Amechi. That is all the time they carry them, they go about. They accuse and they do anything with their life. Now him be the nemesis of them. So him be strong me when they took them for throat. They don't go feel swallow them.
Oga Prince, thank you for your passionate contribution. Every time when you call, contribute, the fire they increase more and more. We dey always dey talk and say, it's very important make we dey talk. Because this country belongs to all of us. If we keep quiet and decide, say, we don't want to talk, the country go spoil for our very, very eye. So thank you and all the people when they call to Chukma for inside this matter. From Owerri, we go enter Yola. Collect this call from Oga Obiora. Oga Obiora, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Obiora.
How are you?
Would they fine?
You see what I want to talk about this ministerial screen, Since when we start this democracy, I never hear say president bring people and senators they no pass them. So that is why I tell people yesterday say nothing will stop Amechi being minister unless President Muhammad Buhari decide to change him. But whether he's corrupt or not corrupt, the other time I want to make all of us understand that all the nyash they smell shit fast. You understand? So and all the dog where you know, many of them they talk shit. But the person who talk in Ghana for money, they go call shit chopper. So, maybe the way they first say they don't go past Amechi. But what thing will they say? They say, make APC, they tell us that they want to fight corruption. Because they don't have that moral stand to fight corruption because of what they are bringing out as the ministers. So, issue of screening, everybody must be passed as usual. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you very, very much, Oga Obiora.
Oga Obiora, thank you very much for this important contribution. When we say you don't drop for on top of this matter. We know, say, our senators, they don't talk, say, na to just chook eye inside these ministers, them, to get the very best from them. And from the information they get, they don't dey inside there, don't begin, they go about the whole process. And they think they go well, and wahala no dey. We'll collect this call from Warri. Oga Sam, they call us. Oga Sam, good morning, sir.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Sam.
Uncle, good morning.
Good morning.
This this one where you dress like this, I hope your name follow for the new ministerial list this morning.
Make we dey see, make we dey see.
Which one we make you dey see? Your name follow, they say make you dey see. Now part of the lie when you dey always dey talk. He say, I hope say your name follow. He say make
I
you dey
can't
see.
make we dey see na bad thing.
Your name follow.
Oga Sam dey talk to us.
Chukudi,
Oga Sam, I dey hear you.
the thing where we dey see for today, from my own point of view, we know say all of them go pass because before they bring Amechi come, Amechi is like a poison to Baba. Baba no go fit drop Amechi. So all of them go pass. The truth of God, make them not tell us say this list is ministerial list. The list is called compensation list to Nigeria. Make nobody fool us because the debt where Baba tell us say Fashola and Amechi was bigger than the one of federal government. And today the same people are the people that they are using as a front line. So we still see them say they don't get anything to give us than the old Nigerians who were corrupt. So they are not fighting. The only way they are fighting is Boko Haram. That is where we are seeing fight. But in the issue of corruption, they are romancing with on how to collect our money with people where who. Let them help us tell our passenger, make it return Otafam. So that is where we are because we are looking on Otafam.
Oga Sam, thank you very, very much. Your own, the one way you want, even different from wetin Nigeria. You won't collect the farm. Oh. When we go this way, come back, we go see whether we go even think about to collect the farm or make we just continue to move forward. Now still as in the hot.
Welcome back. The program now asks if they heard that Ogbonge political program they launching out activities that happen for Nigeria. And on today's matter, what do they look? Will they look the gang will take place for the House, that is for the Senate today, when the Senate go do it, go begin to the screening the ministerial list where Oga Muhammad Buhari don't do it, don't submit. Chuku the still there for House. I also they collect calls from our callers, where they also do it, where they also contribute for their own data, their own quarters into this matter. So make us still do it, make us still they call. We still there here with you now.
Well, you see, for the very first time, it be like say everybody for this our country can't they interested in the ministerial list, not just ministerial list in government, especially as this one get to do with the ministerial list. And now waiting we don't try promote since say governance no be about people where they represent us for Abuja or people where they the various state houses. Make we just sit down, make they do what they like. So long as say now we that they represent, if we not give them that mandate, if we not give them that support, they no go do it. So they're very, very important. Make we continue to they ask them and they demand for more. But then again, we get civil liberty organizations or societies for this country where we say their own, they sabi where they know about government because now within they carry for head. These people suppose they teach the ordinary Nigerians say, this also the one are supposed to do, this also the one are supposed they learn. That one go raise political consciousness about the people and it go eliminate all those parochial thinking where we say people they carry come argument if we don't they discuss because this parochial thinking where people they carry come argument now they make and they be like say if person they talk true the lie where other people they talk now ain't go they come out the talk.
I just say you get talk to talk. I don't understand. So you want to talk your talk.
Wait till I talk again now.
So your mind don't for your own mind now you don't talk with that.
Wait till I talk. I said I they gesticulate. Say make we they teach people so that people when they talk parochial talk no go call they lie against people when they talk true.
And what if I bring up from this angle say they
don't bring it from any angle. No take Chigozie from Enugu.
I go bring am. No,
you no go bring am. You no go bring am.
I go bring am.
You no go bring am. Oga Chigozie.
Why stop me from not
allow me take Oga Chigozie from Enugu. Enugu is too far. Oga Chigozie, good morning, sir. You don't see him. He don't even quiet out of annoyance.
Good morning, Oga Chigozie.
You don't see him.
No, the time you say you don't see him.
What do you mean? I know the time you say you don't see him.
What do you mean you don't see him?
On the line, I give him, I accord and respect.
No, Paduka we mention, I pursue him.
Which Paduka I mention?
They say, Oga Chijioke, I guess. Chijioke, good morning.
Good morning, Chukwu and Nkubi.
Yeah, good morning. I get your name is Chijioke, Abi.
Chijioke from Jos.
Okay, Chijioke.
The question I want to observe what you enter this morning. You know, say they don't enter the issue of this minister tonight. They don't even talk say they know we be editing.
Oga Chijioke don't call to report. from wetin they talk say monkey hand don dey enter inside the arrangement.
Hold on.
E be like say monkey hand don dey enter inside the arrangement because hey. Okay.
Make we shebi go still follow up.
No, they don't say make we follow up. Wetin we follow up? Somebody when they come from just talk say he come wetin say make we follow up.
We there to know wetin dey happen.
Wetin we no dey here to know. We no dey see updates. No be
update wetin make we dey follow.
No be everything when they inside internet.
When I say somebody is good at lying.
Wetin dem talk? Dem no talk say dem go screen the thing. Dem no give where people fit stream the thing from. Why e be say e come be like say the thing no come na today now e no come work. Why e be say na today now the thing no come work?
I don't understand. This your talk now. I don't understand.
Which one be who might talk? You don't understand. You know hear wetin Chijoke talk?
I want make you bring the talk for ground. Make I know wetin talk.
Okay, they tell us say we go fit stream the thing, watch am live anywhere in the world. And they talk say the ogbonge station of our country go show the thing. When your guy Chijoke just call to tell us now.
Talk to us, Joe. See, hey, young man. Good morning.
Good morning,
Good morning, Nelson.
Good morning,
Chukwudi.
my second. I greet now this morning.
Yeah, would they greet you too?
I like this program badly. Even though I dey office, I must go out a bit to make sure I watch this program.
Okay.
And I want to solve this fight too, and make I no punch myself. Basically, I want to emphasize on this screening of ministerial list. It's not a big deal for it to become among these kind of things. I mean, it's something I would have done it before now. What we should be talking about is what are the programs that the government have set in agenda for which you know. What are the economic programs? And I watched TVC just now when we go on break. You know, I normally watch to see contradicting. I can have a clue of what is going on in the society. I saw somebody there was saying that they should forget about women. That means that there is no agenda for women. And it was said about that the president have liberty to appoint 2 or 3 people from one state. So what happened to other states? The president is not a president of one state. He's a president of Nigeria. So as constitution rightfully stimulate that ministers should be at least one from each state. So as now, if you appoint somebody from your state, one person, I know now, as he's a petroleum minister, to me, it should appear before the
Senate.
The Senate, because he's a minister. So that he will be among the ministers that are making noise as well.
Okay.
The issue of Amechi, I don't want to use as a case study anyway. Issue of saying that 2 senators should assign for any minister. Is the duty of the Senate.
Oga Nelson, thank you very, very much for that your important contribution. And wetin we go talk, we say our senators dem when they represent us, they know wetin they do there because now the people interest na they promote. We believe say as we dey watch, they ask them to do the right thing, they go do the right thing. Wetin we just want be say make the process go well, make it dey transparent, make it dey open, so that we no get situation where we say anybody go call the complaint say some people follow back door, and everything when they do make it follow the constitution of our country, because that ogbonge law book na im dey guide our government dey operate for inside obodo Nigeria. We dey talk am say Nigeria and our country e no go spoil. Make we join our hand together to move this our country forward. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they comot smoke. Nkubi.
Una bye-bye till tomorrow.
Tell them bye-bye with respect. You don't mean una bye-bye till tomorrow.
Parochial.
You are a parochial somebody. You are a parochial.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.